Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about ADHD in adults. So, first of all, let me tell you ADHD in adults is in very less percentage than ADHD in children. So, the question is, does every child diagnosed with ADHD land up to have ADHD in their adulthood? Answer is definitely no. It's not like that way. But ADHD adult might have ADHD in their childhood which remain untreated. I hope you understand what I am trying to tell you. So, ADHD in adult is with H silent. This is how I see. What do you mean by this? Hyperactivity part of ADHD is not predominantly present in adults like children. So these ADHD adults are not having physical hyperactivity but they are having very predominant emotional hyperactivity. What we call it as overthinking pattern. And why this is present in them? It's because of restlessness in their mind rather than in their physical body. Obviously, being an ADHD, it is a neurodevelopmental disorder which was not corrected in their early childhood areas. So, there is no any structural damage to the brain but just the functional disorientation. What does it lead to in an ADHD adult due to this disorder? The symptoms of ADHD are definitely attention deficit, concentration problem. Please do not think like that way. Oh, even when I sit inside the classroom, I cannot concentrate. I have 1,000 thoughts in mind. This is very common, and this is not directly connected to the ADHD. So, before telling symptoms, let me remind you ADHD is a disorder and you cannot diagnose it just with one symptom. ADHD diagnosis is based on many symptoms coming together, what we call cluster of symptoms, and then it will be formed as disorder. Now, in ADHD, as I already said, there is restlessness of thoughts, there is overthinking pattern, but what is very specific in ADHD adult is impulsive behavior. अब ये impulsive behavior क्या है? Suppose your class is going on और आप बहुत बोर हो रहे हो. You walk off the class. आप क्लास से ऐसे ही उठ के बाहर चले जाओगे without talking to your teacher. आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स क्लास में चुपचाप से बैठे हुए हैं. क्या ऐसे होता है? Usually this won't happen because गिविंग रिस्पेक्ट टू योर टीचर, गिविंग रिस्पेक्ट टू योर एल्डर पर्सन, ये हमें सिखाया गया है. सो दो यू हैव फीलिंग हाय हाय मुझे तो अभी लग रहा है उठ के चले जाऊँ, बट यू डोंट डू दिस बिकॉज यू कंट्रोल योर इम्पल्सेस, यू कंट्रोल योर ओवरवेलमिंग इमोशंस. This is lacking in ADHD. This is just an example, but this is lacking in ADHD. They cannot handle their impulsive behaviors. Now, what do you mean by emotional irregulations? These people cannot handle emotions in a proper way. चलो एक example लेके बताते हैं. Suppose you gifted your friend one of the gift which is a surprise for him, and you search for the gift and you were packing the gift. जब आप गिफ्ट पैक कर रहे हो तो यू आर वेरी हैप्पी कि यार जब ये खोलेगा तो उसको कितना अच्छा लगेगा ना, ऑल दैट. You gifted this to your friend and while receiving it, his emotionalness, वो चेहरे से कुछ नहीं बता रहा है आपको, उसको समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे रिएक्ट करे. And he just opened the gift and he said thank you to you and you are like hi hi, I have taken so many efforts and इसको तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा. So this might be due to emotional irregulation. They cannot, ADHD people cannot handle or cannot cope up with emotions very easily like you do. This is might be one of the problematic way of handling things for them. Next symptom is organization. अब इसका मीनिंग क्या है देखो. सपोज आपको दिन की जब शुरुआत करनी है तो यू वेक अप, यू ब्रश योर टीथ, फिर आप नहाते हो, एक रॉ पैटर्न में बोलते हैं, फिर आप नहाते हो, फिर आप कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट करते हो, देन यू गो टू योर कॉलेज। ये जब आपको करना है, यू हैव सम थिंग्स लाइंड अप वन आफ्टर अनदर। क्या आपको किसी ने सिखाया कि इसके बाद यही करना है? नहीं, दिस इज योर ओन वे ऑफ डूइंग इट। तो आपने अपना लाइफ ऑर्गेनाइज करके लिया है टू मेक इट ईजियर, क्योंकि वो आपको उस प्रकार ईजी बनाता है। These people are having organizational problem. So what do you mean by this? Because they cannot concentrate, they cannot have these patterns one after the other, and they feel jumbled up, they feel messed up, और उनको समझ में नहीं आती चीज़ें। So this is what ADHD in adult is. Now, does it affect their life? Obviously yes, this might be affecting their life, this might be affecting their academics, their work, their social life, especially their relationships. And in general, when all these things happen, this affects their self-esteem on a very large way. So is there any way out for this? Answer is definitely yes. The pattern for treatment for ADHD adult is called cognitive behavioral therapy, and this helps them a lot along with lifestyle modifications, because if you cannot do it, you can take help of other people to modify, to organize your life. Along with this is my genuine way of thinking about it. Whenever there are things related to emotional instability in any of the disease, any of the disorder, homeopathy helps a lot in such situations. Thank you.